वेल वर्स्ड विथ अ बिग मॉर्फोलॉजिकल अनाटॉमी कि हमें मॉर्फोलॉजिकली हमारा हार्ट सॉरी हमारा लंग्स कैसा दिखता है, ठीक है। अगर हमने ना अगर हम लोग लंग्स के एक एक एयर वे को डाइसेक्ट करके देखेंगे तो वो नॉट कैसा कैसा लगेगा, लेट्स सी। ओके, जस्ट इमेजिन यार, दिस इज योर ट्रेकिया एंड इफ यू डाइसेक्ट इट ट्रांसवर्सली, the okay, this is your duct, ठीक है। So your duct are made up of columnar epithelium. This is your columnar epithelial layer. So your ducts are made up of columnar epithelium. Okay. Next is your submucosal layer where your glands are present. Okay. Next is your muscular, which is making your airway contract, relax, contract, relax. And this is your submucosal, which have present glands into this. And these glands have then opening into this, your trachea. And whenever these produce mucus, okay. So here, this is how your all airway have mucosal secretion, and this mucus is being made into your submucosal layer. And then after this you have an adventitious layer that we don't talk about much. Okay, can you understand there is a muscular layer over here? There's a muscular layer over here. Then you have mucosal layer where you have so much of glands, glandular secretion. And can you see these glands produce and mucus which is being secreted into your lumen. So that's why your airway are not dry, they are wet. Okay. So if I make it more clear, so these layer will produce mucus. Okay, but understand, things change from your respiratory bronchioles and your alveolar duct and alveoli. अब इसके अंदर क्या होता है, जो इसके cells होते हैं ना, they don't have 3 layers. Okay, जो इनके जो airway होते हैं, they have only 1 layer. They have 1 layer which is only made of cuboidal cells. Okay, and these cuboidal cells are lined with something which is called as surfactant. Govind, Raman, Farhad, Priya, Monzo, Sashikala, Junaid, I really want to at least see you how you people look like. If it's any reason, you can keep yourself, you can keep your camera on. But if you don't have any reason, then it's better if you keep your camera on, so I can see to whom I'm teaching. I can see Sashikala. But Priya, मैंने ऐसे म्यूट करने, मैंने कैमरा ऑन करने कहा था, मैंने म्यूट, चलो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट। ओके, सो अब नीचे क्या होता है, ये जो आपके एक्टिनर सेल्स है ना, एक्टिनर सेल्स के अंदर क्यूबॉइडल सेल्स होते हैं, और ये इनका प्राइमरी फंक्शन है डिफ्यूजन का। they have a primary function of diffusion. ठीक है, primary, if I make an alveoli like this, the alveoli layer is made up of one single layer, वो भी cuboidal cells के, and the main function of these cells are to exchange gases. अगर इनकी लेयर मोटी होती तो गैस पास नहीं करता, सिंपल सी बात है। बट जो ऊपर वाली ट्रेकिया और हमारे लैरिंग जो ब्रोंकाया है, ब्रोंकियम्स है, उनके लेयर को मोटा होना जरूरी था क्योंकि उनको कॉन्ट्रैक्शन करना है, रिलैक्स करना है। बट द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ दिस एसिनर्स आर टू डिफ्यूज एयर। तो इनके जो परमेबिलिटी होती है बहुत ज्यादा होती है, एंड इनके सेल भी क्यूबॉइडल के होते हैं। वेयर एज जो आपके ओवर हेयर यहाँ तक जितनी भी चीजें हैं, इनके पास कॉलुमुलर एपिथेलियल की लेयर है, एंड दे हैव सिलिया। व्हाट इज सिलिया?
It's a brush-like movement cell which helps.
These are the hair-like projection. You can see how the brush-like projection. जो भी अगर कोई भी आप लोग धुएं में निकले, अगर आप दिल्ली में रहते हैं आपको पता होता है, इतने बड़े बड़े पार्टिकल्स आपके नोस्ट्रिल में जा रहे हैं, वो आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो पीछे से धुआं निकल रहा है, वो सब आपके एयर लंग्स में जा रहा है। और what the cilia do? They just expel this irritant out of your lungs. So you have a cuff reflex and you expel everything that is present in your lungs. So this is how it works. But at a terminal level, your primary role is to diffuse gases. So there is no such kind of cells are present here. Primarily you have cuboidal cell which facilitate in the diffusion of air. Till now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the anatomy, complete anatomy? I'm talking about a gross morphology, microscopy, both. Did you understood what anatomically your lungs look like now? And a very good and clear picture of your lungs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear,
Yes,
everyone?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I can understand, but the one thing is that can we get your notes because we can't remember all the things you just
Yeah,
mentioned.
I will definitely going to give you my notes, but
Mm.
what I'm teaching
Yeah.
have more gravity than my notes, definitely. If you keep your 100% attention to my class, you're going to learn each and everything. You don't even need to like memorize and get it things down from everywhere, because I read so many other literature to teach you. But I will highly appreciate, because then I repeat myself once, twice, thrice. So if you get time, just jot it down very, very quickly. Okay. You don't have to write everything, because I'm also not writing anything. I'm just making diagram. Okay, so you
Yeah.
have to learn that way. So there's no night of like, in this is trachea. If you want to like trachea, you like bronchi, it doesn't mean anything. NCLEX is not asking you for spellings. NCLEX is not asking you for notes. It is not a comprehensive paper. It is an MCQ type of paper. So kindly prepare yourself for that reason. Okay, there's no need to write an like grunt of this thing. Okay, clear? Okay, coming to the physiology of respiration. Physiology of respiration. Okay, हमने देख लिया कि लंग्स एग्जैक्टली लगते कैसे हैं, अंदर का क्या है, बाहर का क्या है, उनके जो ल्यूमेन होता है क्या है, किससे बने हुए हैं, हमारे एल्वेलाई किससे बने हुए हैं. अब ना हम समझते हैं कि हम सांस कैसे लेते हैं. हाउ डू वी ब्रीथ? आर यू ऑल ब्रीदिंग राइट नाउ?
Yes.
Yes.
डू यू नो हाउ टू ब्रीथ? Do you know how to breathe? A good question.
Yes.
Who taught you how to
Yes,
breathe?
ma'am.
Did anyone taught you? Did you learn how to?
No.
Yeah, we learn how to eat. Did you learn how to breathe?
No. No.
No. You कोई ऐसा तो नहीं जिसको मम्मी ने सिखाया होगा बचपन, बेटे ऐसे सांस लेते हैं.
No, ma'am.
पक्का ना? सबको आता है एक चीज.
Yes,
चलो,
ma'am.
okay, ठीक है. So this is how exactly happened. Physiology of respiration we are going to talk about. Physiology of